Okay, I'm back from BioLife giving plasma. It's about 4 o'clock almost. People are starting to gather. They got the roads all blocked off. They just opened these up. I'll go around here, see what's going on over here. Give me 1 second. Okay, with the truck here, convoy, we got some guys giving away shirts. Selling?
No, we're letting you. We'll give you one if you'll text.
Oh, okay, cool. I'm just walking around. Awesome, thank you.
Make a text, we'll give you one.
Okay, we got the KSN guy coming in, the camera guy, the television. Channel 12. Hello. Just recording if that's okay. Good, good, good. Oh, they're painting the faces of the kids. Very nice. They're going to start showing up. You can see all the kids. Yeah, there's a lot more. It's been like an hour and a half since I was here earlier. And this place is already starting to pick up. I mean, see how there's... Yeah. I might try to come down here. Oh man, there's a big old flag. I might try to come down here at 5 o'clock when there's more people. I don't know, this is probably a good time to come here because there's not as many. It's going to be packed. Oh, there's the news lady. Let's see what they're doing. I'm just down here at Joplin. Fire people. We got the news people here. There they are. It is definitely picking up. There are even people out here. Jeez Louise. Yeah, they got the road, even the 4-lane shut off down there on both ends. Sorry my video is so shaky. Now it looks like down here they set up some music. Live performance. Very nice. Who knows, maybe some guy is probably going to be speaking today, probably. Yeah, they're probably going to have yeah, that'll be good. That'll be good, though. I don't know who's coming out, but I'm sure someone is. Wow. I might come back around 6 o'clock when this place is packed, because this place is going to be packed tonight. Go check out the food real quick. I gotta keep putting my stuff down. Please subscribe, guys. Thank you very much. Just let it know I was out here before all these people were. Of course I am. I only live 6 blocks from here. I'm always here. Got here before the news crew. Day late. See with the kids, the Home Depot kids? Yes, I remember this. Yeah, I remember that 10 years ago. They had like a Home Depot thing. And they were doing similar stuff like this. I do remember that 10 years ago. Oh, here's another crew. Another news crew. All right. That's Channel 12. That's from my boy, Ray Foreman, weatherman. He's my boy. Me and him, we're old friends. We got some food here. Some snow cones. Wow. And the convoy of hope. Okay, guys. Please subscribe. I might try to do a part 3, guys.